Hello, a very good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope are you all fit and fine. This is Hamidul Islam in front of you. I'm a student as well as I'm English learner. So I'm from Lalmonirhat, Kaliganj to be more exact. Today I wanna share with you an important my experience. This experience exactly my experience. So I wanna share with you. Please hear me, brother. Life is your, no one can take responsibility, so you have to take responsibility for your life. No one can help you. Already I face this, brother. Don't give up. Don't tell, oh, how can I do it, how can I do it. It's not right. You have to do you, brother. Can you believe yourself? If you believe yourself, that means you have to do anything. No one can help you. I saw also lots of people. Oh, I am too much disappointed. He is too much disappointed. What? Why? Why, brother? Brother, this earth is exam hall. Can you believe? This earth is exam hall. No one can help you. So you have to take responsibility. You have to take discipline for your life. So when you will success, that time lots of people will be said that, oh, I know that he will be success, he will be success. But when you will start, that time they are criticize with you. So brother, don't stop your learning. Don't stop your learning. So today, tomorrow, you will success. First of all, you need to believe yourself. Then you will success. So don't give up. Be careful for your life. Today or tomorrow, we will success. Okay, I don't want to play my video. Till that time, remain very fine. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.